Hello, welcome to all. Today, the topic I will discuss is types of virtualization in cloud computing. First type of virtualization is network virtualization. In cloud computing, network virtualization is the process of combining hardware and software network resources and network functionality into a single software based entity, that is virtual network. Network virtualization is categorized as: first is external virtualization. It combines many networks or parts of network into a virtual unit. Second is internal virtualization. It provides network-like functionality to software containers on a single network servers. Now, what are the network virtualization platform? The example of platform is NSX network virtualization. That is, VMware NSX Data Center is a network virtualization platform delivering networking and security entirely in one software, abstracted from underlying physical infrastructure. NSX uses software to provide networking functions like firewalling, switching, and routing. This means that multiple users can share the same physical environment using virtual networks invisible to each other to increase efficiency and security. Now, components of network virtualization. First is network hardware such as switches and network adapter, also known as network interface cards. Second, network elements such as firewalls and load balancer. Next, network such as virtual local area network and containers such as virtual machines. Next, network storage devices, network machine to machine elements such as telecommunication devices. Next, network mobile elements such as laptop, computer, tablet and smartphone. And last component of network virtualization is Ethernet and fiber channel. Now next is memory virtualization. Memory virtualization is the process of aggregating and pooling the complete random access memory resources from the network grid or cluster into a single memory pool. It provides a greater memory capacity, and the disk drive also serves as extension of the main memory. Now, memory virtualization implementation. First is application level integration. Applications running on connected computers directly connected to the memory pool through an API or the file system. Second is operating system level integration. The operating system first connects to the memory pool and makes that pooled memory available to the applications. This is the diagram show for application level integration, where first layer is contributor, then second layer is virtualized memory pool, and third is application layer, or the data flow is bidirectional. In OS level integration, the additional layer is operating system layer, where the first layer is contributor, second is virtualized memory pool, third is operating system, and fourth is application. The data flow is bidirectional. Now next type is storage virtualization. Storage virtualization in cloud computing is the sharing of physical storage into multiple storage devices which further appear to be a single storage device. It can be also called as group of an available storage device which simply manage from a central console. This virtualization provides number of benefits such as easy backup and recovery of the data. This whole process requires very less time and work in an efficient manner. Now, storage virtualization is generally classified into two categories. First is block based virtual storage. The block based virtual storage is more widely used than the virtual storage system, as the virtual storage more widely used than the virtual storage system. The block-based virtual storage system use logical storage such as drive partition from the physical memory in the storage device. It also abstract the logical storage such as hard disk drive or any solid state memory device. This also allows the virtualization management software to get familiar with the capacity of the available device and split them into shared resources to assign. Now second is file based storage virtualization. This type of virtualization is used for a specific purpose and can apply to network attached storage system. File based storage virtualization in cloud computing utilize server managed block or network file system protocols, and with its help of it break the dependency in a normal network attached storage array. This is done between the data being accessed and the location of physical memory. It also provides a benefit of better handling file migration in the background, which improve the performance. Now, following are the different way for storage applied to the virtualization. First is host based virtualization. Here all the virtualization and management is done at the host level with the help of software and physical storage. It can be any device or array. Second is network based storage virtualization. Devices such as a smart switch or purpose built server connect to all the storage device in a fiber channel storage network and present the storage as a virtual pool. Now last, array based storage virtualization. Here the storage array provides different type of storage which are physical and used as storage tiers. This software is available which handle the amount of storage tier made up of solid state drives, hard drives. Now next type is desktop virtualization. First of all, what is desktop virtualization? The word work from anywhere is practically possible because of desktop virtualization. It provides work convenience and security. It enables us to remotely access the data from anywhere and anytime through any device. It provides a lot of flexibility and feasibility for employees, and the data is safe and secure as it is stored at a centralized location. Last is application server virtualization. Application server virtualization, also referred as advanced load balancing, that enables IT department to balance workloads of a application in an easy way. It spreads application across servers and servers across applications. It also enables to manage the server as a single instance. Application server virtualization gives a better network security compliance as only one server is visible to the public while the rest are hidden behind a reverse proxy network security appliance.